Your first step is to come in here and find the air box. This is the air intake right here. Just got these two clips. Undo both of those, and now you can pry it open like this. From here you can lift this open and pull it all the way out of the way. It's still a little bit tight though. But from here, just grab this old air filter and pull it up. You can see how dirty this one is. All the dirt and everything in there. Definitely time for a new one. Before you stick your new one in, just look in this box. You want to clean all that out. So I'm gonna wipe all that out real quick. And I'll just take your new one, slide it into place. And I'll just close it back up. All done. I'm looking at the dealer price. That is $84 to do that service.